The following video features actions performed by AI bots in a professional environment. Nothing is to be taken seriously.
Mama, I love you, I'm trying to get it right. Thirsting at me, the demon, yeah, I hoodie on like soft and then I take flight. Per good wood and then I take lives. These niggas won't smoke, said these. Chopper make a nigga do the running man. First pass and I'm set for like 100 bands. I bop and rob niggas and do my evil dance. I'm from the L's, little bitch, and you ain't know that. I bop and even like I'm Kodak. I spit lean on the floor, nigga, my bag. Just spend a quick out on my bitch bag. Your time ticking, but it's down coming soon. Everything in your life, you won't smoke on my goons. Next bitch, you better get in tune. Yeah, the setup, if it's the last thing that I do, I ain't tripping on the area, we gon' get it. Duck your head, you see the STL on my fitted. To Birdie, we summer, we gotta watch how he move.
Yo, Lil Fra!
Hops in the function, but I brought my tool. Forever up score, no Bay Street. When the game needed you, I was knee deep. Risk it all on the hood, by all means. Put up on the score, we up 15. Get home, check the news, we up 16. With this 40 on my hip, I'm like 2-3. Get my nigga killer going, do you feel me? The word on the street, they tryna kill me. I can get him on a shirt with a halo. Deep bullet hit houses, you better duck low. All that praying on the hood, they can't say you no more. Shoot out some dumb shit, I'm just tryna get home. Deep up in the streets, man, it's looking bad. And the ops bounce out, and I'm looking back. My brother not going, I can't get him back. It's cool, go back gang, I just did him bad.
Damn, we're right here with FASTLIFE, Nick, and SRT Len, yo.
Can I check his sister?
It's fucking hot outside. Damn. I didn't know they ran fucking Chrysler 300s. Can't mess up the vid either, though. We gotta follow the back.
Careful with that fool.
They don't... Oh, shit.
What are we doing right now, babes?
Fucking cruising with the purple torch. And fucking
Passing red
FASTLIFE
lights.
Nick and shit.
This car's in front of us, though.
Need to cut this fool off.
You could see they're behind us as well. Shit. They're cutting everyone off. Just careful, careful. Alright, so gonna be a green light.
We should have went that way.
FASTLIFE is in front of this car. Oh no, they're vlogger probably.
That was tripping. That was gonna crash.
God, please be with us in this ride. Amen.
I'm gonna hit the gas station. Fuck. Fuck. Shit's insane.
Damn. Right here we
Should I tell him, yo, bug, let me hear it?
Yeah, go.
Yeah?
If you want. Gonna need a vehicle.
I
See
know.
it? A red light. How much gas you got?
Yo, Lil Fra! Let me hear it, let me hear it! Hell yeah!
Nice, baby.
This is gonna take this for sure.
Careful, careful, careful.
Nobody expected those. Yelling at me?
Careful, police. He yelled at you. He said something in. Okay, the Corvette's behind us.
I think the Corvette yelled at me.
One. Keep your eyes on all mirrors, babe, but not at all times. Let's be friends. Shit. God be with us. God be with us. Corvette took it.
Fra can't keep up with the fast life boys. Seems. No, it seems. Oh, they're turning. No.
You're turning right.
Are they?
No. They're staying in the right lane.
Oh shit, I'm behind.
Oh, they are turning. They're turning right.
Fucking behind the purple torch. Holy shit. Like that fool. Go for it, buddy. Sorry.
Oh.
Hell yeah. I'm part of that. Fucking fast life boys, man. How about what are you pulling up to Nick's house?
At least he knows us Mexicans won't snitch.
Won't snitch?
Won't snitch.
Yeah.
We're not rats. Watch out.
Oh, hell yeah, this shit's insane, bud. The gas ain't me. Should probably get gas.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get stranded.
Yeah, just get gas. Should have been told your homie to fucking follow. Damn, babe, we should have been got gas when we're just chilling there.
I know, since those 2 hours. We could have, but it's alright.
Got gas?
We were on that fat. You want to talk or me?
No, you.
Alright. We were on a cruise with the Fast Life boys right now. Crazy cruise. Couldn't even keep up. Car was about to blow up. And we had no gas. Literally, the gas mileage was not coming out. It was blank. Now, we're at 147 miles, and we thought we lost them. But turns to find out I was about to pass them, and my girl says, "Isn't that them?" Bro, that's them right there. We just fucking united with them right now. Oh shit, it looks like they're leaving. Shit.
Oh,
Oh no, they're kicking in here. I forgot out this car already. Oh shit. Hell yeah.
Yeah, even the
Hell
kids
yeah.
are out.
I'm ready to see the fucking fireworks. Maybe it's gonna be here.
Maybe.
It's already getting dark. And
Maybe.
they're trying to turn up for the kids. Oh,
They
wait.
probably do live around
Yeah,
here.
that's what I'm saying. Oh, wait. Dang. Oh yeah, man. We made it to the fireworks show. Let's go pull up closer. It's mad foggy. Oh shit. Hell no. Better go up. Alright. It's going up. Me too. Let's go this way. At least the tree can cover us.